Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. You just need to type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK to open up. In here you just need to search for Valorant. Just right click on it and select delete it. And now search for right games. Double click on it. Right click on the Valorant and select delete it. After doing this, just need to close tab here. Now right click on the Valorant on the desktop and select open file location. You just need to go back to right games and go to Valorant folder live. In here you just need to delete these both files guys, manifest debug file and manifest non-UFS file. Just right click on it and delete it. After deleting it, just need to close tab here. Now you can launch the Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution consists of two steps. First step, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open it. Select the browse option. Go to this PC, local disk C, write games, Valorant, live. Click on the valorant.exe and select add. Now again select browse. Now select the shooter game folder, binaries folder, win64 folder, Valorant win64 shipping.exe and select add. In my case, I already added in the list guys. After adding these both, you just need to select options and select high performance over here and select save. And another one thing, you just need to do the same. Valorant, select options and select high performance and select save. After doing it, just close tab here guys. The second step, you just need to open up right games and select the play option in Valorant. While starting the game, you just need to press in Alt tab to minimize this game, and you just need to press in keyboard Control Shift plus Escape key together to open up Task Manager. In here you just need to click on the arrow icon next to Valorant and select right click on the Valorant and select go to details. Now you just need to right click on the Valorant win64 and select set priority to real time and select change priority, and again right click on the valorant.exe and select set priority to real time and select change priority. After doing it, you can go back to the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.